Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Cadillac CTS headliner. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery. Next, gather your tools, including plastic trim removal tools to protect your interior. Begin by gently pulling away the rubber door seals from around the entire headliner edge. Finally, recline both front seats completely to give yourself ample room to maneuver during the removal process. Now, let's tackle the overhead components. Each sun visor is typically held by 2 or 3 screws. Remove these, then carefully disconnect any electrical wires for the vanity lights. Next, gently pry off the small plastic covers on the grab handles to reveal and remove their securing screws. Finally, carefully pry down the dome light assembly, disconnecting its electrical harness, and remove any other small fasteners. Moving on to the pillar trims, start with the A-pillars. These are primarily held by plastic clips. Gently pry them away from the body. For the B-pillars, you'll typically remove the lower section first, then the upper. On the C-pillars, carefully remove the small airbag cap to access and remove the bolt underneath. Confirm all pillar trims are fully detached and safely stored. With all components detached, the headliner board should now be loose. Carefully lower it, double-checking that no wires are still connected. For Cadillac CTS coupe and sedan models, the headliner board is best removed by angling it out through the passenger front door. Take your time to avoid bending or creasing the board. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process, ensuring every clip and screw is securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.